Hello friends and welcome back to the Growing Cars Show. Today we are unboxing a stunning piece from the Centauria Ferrari GT Collection in 1/64 scale, the Ferrari 612 Scaglietti from 2004, collection number 59, finished in a gorgeous metallic blue. Let's take a closer look at this elegant GT in miniature. The model is finely detailed, capturing the long wheelbase, the sculpted sides, and the refined proportions of Ferrari's 2+2 coupe. Even in 1/64 scale, you can admire the precision of the front grille, the Ferrari shield on the fenders, and the sleek alloy wheels that make this diecast shine in any collection. Now let's talk about the real car. The Ferrari 612 Scaglietti was unveiled in 2004 as the successor of the 456M. Named after Sergio Scaglietti, the legendary coach builder, this was Ferrari's interpretation of a modern grand tourer, combining luxury, space, and raw performance. Under the hood, the 612 Scaglietti hides a 5.7-liter V12 engine, producing 540 horsepower, 397 kW. It could sprint from 0 to 100 km/h in just 4.2 seconds, reach a top speed of 320 km/h, and measure 4.9 meters in length, making it one of the fastest and most comfortable GTs of its time. What made the 612 special was not only its power, but also its usability. For the first time, a Ferrari offered real space for 4 adults without compromising performance. It was a blend of elegance, technology, and Italian craftsmanship. And here it is, perfectly scaled down for collectors, the Centauria Ferrari 612 Scaglietti, a must-have for Ferrari enthusiasts and diecast lovers alike. Thanks for watching this unboxing on the Growing Cars Show. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more diecast passion.